We have this breaking right now. Another possible case of the coronavirus right here in Seattle. In the last hour, Harborview Medical Center confirms one person is quarantined and is being tested for the virus there. KARA 7's Gary Horker is live right now at Harborview. And Gary, the hospital says it is now working with the Centers for Disease Control.
They are, and immediately the protocol is this. When the patient walked into the ER and complained of coronavirus symptoms, they immediately set up containment and they isolated that patient while they test that person for this particular virus, and they send that virus test to the CDC. We'll keep you posted on that. Meanwhile, when they do that and people show symptoms, invariably the hospital staff will make that patient wear one of these, a surgical mask or a respirator. But doctors also tell us tonight, if you're asymptomatic, you don't show symptoms, and you're wearing one of these, it won't really protect you. It's not uncommon to see entire plane loads of travelers wearing surgical masks. People figure it's simple protection against the coronavirus, along with other germicidal weaponry.
Lysol spray, stuff like that.
Travelers told us they'll even wear a mask on short flights to Seattle from California.
It's pretty scary at this point in time. Been hearing people cough, sneeze. It's pretty scary.
You don't know who has it. You don't know even if they know they have it. So it's just better to be safe.
But doctors tell us a mask or even a respirator is not effective. They say most people get sick when they touch surfaces and then transfer a virus to their eyes and their nose.
So wearing a mask when you don't have symptoms is not really that helpful. What is helpful, though, is washing your hands.
The Port of Seattle hired extra staff to sanitize baggage areas, bathrooms, and anywhere international travelers pass through.
So we use a couple of these here, and like for instance on the railing, we'll just kind of wipe the whole length of the railing down.
So these may seem like small measures, but these are the most effective measures that we know to combat the spread of viruses and other diseases.
Governor Inslee called the CDC today, urging them to test every person landing in Seattle from China for symptoms.
I believe Washingtonians have a reasonable expectation that these screenings will include a temperature and review of the health history of the individuals before they enter the state.
Back live here, the governor says so far the CDC has not responded to his request. And back to the situation here at Harborview, a patient is being tested and evaluated after complaining of symptoms of coronavirus. They went into the ER and immediately they were set up in containment. That patient is in isolation, and that coronavirus test will be sent to the CDC. We'll keep you posted as those results continue. We understand they might have to go to Atlanta. We're live, meanwhile, outside the ER at Harborview. I'm Gary Horker, KARA 7 News.